Hi everyone, I'm Surabhi, the homeschooling mother of two precious little girls, Sanvi and Sia, aged 4 and 3. So today I'm going to show you the shelf material. How do I organize the Montessori shelf material of these two little girls? Because people have been asking me that how do I manage so much of stuff, DIY stuff, and so much material they have, and how do I organize my school time and school day with them. So I just thought I'll make some videos to show you how to organize all this stuff and don't get overwhelmed with it. So again, coming back to this one, this is a storage container I have. So this is Sia shelf, Sanvi shelf, and these two are the extra shelves. This has a material which doesn't belong to both of them. So this is something Sanvi has outgrown, or basically Sanvi has done this one, and Sia is still too young for it. So for example, I'll show you Sanvi's shelf. So explain, I have shelf work as well as activities. So this is only the shelf work. These drawers are only for shelf work. So this is just a box in which there are Sanvi's activities, like this. So this is the shelf activities for her, and you see all this one inside. So if you wonder that it doesn't look organized as such, but it is what all I have planned for her for this year. Not this year, I would say. For Sanvi, 6 months only. Probably Sia stuff will be this year, because Sia is pretty going into Montessori. Sanvi is almost done with the Montessori stuff, so that way. So her stuff will be less. She has more of workbook material or science concepts and everything like that. And so, but Sia has more of motor skills and color, shapes, that kind of stuff, and alphabet recognition. So her shelf is pretty full. I mean, I even can't pull it with one hand, it's so heavy. And Sanvi's shelf is very bit smaller one because compared to this size, and these are the one which kind of Sia has to do. Sanvi's done with it, so we had like, this is a alphabet tracing book and all that. So it's not Montessori exactly, but yes, this is stuff which will be going to Sia's shelf as soon as she completes what is there in her box already. So now coming back to organize, how do I actually execute my schooling stuff with them. So coming here, these are the these are the Montessori shelves of my two girls, so Sia and Sanvi. So I change this activity every day in case they have done it. So now this activities were kept on Thursday, today is Sunday, and it has not been changed because Friday we were out, did not do anything, and Saturday, Sunday also we rarely do it because we are not at home most of the time. So like, these are the two activities. They'll get changed maybe by tomorrow once they do it. And then these are the two boxes. This says to be done, it's done, it doesn't say anything. So what I do is every Sunday I'll take out 10 activities, 10 Montessori shelf activities, and put in this box. Okay, so if you see, these are the work which is pending for this week, because it didn't get complete on Friday. It was supposed to change, they did not do it, so these activities stayed here. So otherwise this would have been empty on Sunday. Okay, and this is done. So this is what we have done this full week. Okay, so it's just that every day I'm changing, and I don't have so much time every single day to do it. So I close this one, put it here, take a new one, put it there. Like that I work. And on Sunday, like today, I will clean up this box, put all the activities back in those two shelves or drawers which you saw, and take out 10 new activities from those boxes and put here. So together, 10 for one, 10 for another one, and that's how we roll. Apart from that, this is Sia shelves. Here I have this is our art and craft stuff, colors, markers, punching things, pencils, glue, color pencils, and all that stuff. This is a jigsaw puzzles also, which we do almost 2 times a week. I mean, that is part of schooling, randomly we do it, but it's a part of schooling. So these are, I have many jigsaw puzzles, but these are some puzzles I have kept outside because this is what we are focusing on with my girls. Okay, like that. And this is a random, this is all basic dollar store stuff, which is not very sturdy, but it's like I have taken it because they are just simply fun. Like, as example, I'll show you. Okay, this is the dartboard. So now I'll just hang it and we'll throw balls over it. This is dollar store stuff, making sounds and balls and all this kind of stuff. And this is, gulail I have, so the ball fell down. So that is the stuff. So this is how I totally organized. This is empty box, so I still don't know what to do with it. I've kept it here. And that's all we are gonna organize my schooling and organizing stuff. And okay, this one, if you have not seen, this is my alphabet box, you say. This is Montessori inspired, not exactly, because I have put two things also in one, if you can see. So it's nothing but alphabet wise and stuff which start lemon, so it'll be lemon, kind of toast one, and all the stuff. This is our Grolier stuff which I pick out. So Grolier has many books, but these are the stuff which we are working on. So this will be here, I think, for the next 2 to 3 months almost. Once they outgrow these books, we'll move to the next ones. So hope I get you get an idea like how I organize. And please mind it that my house is very, very small, alright? So this is how I roll it, and just giving an idea that's not difficult. You just need a little bit of planning. And I have 2 kids, so believe me, the stuff is overrunning, but it's just I keep minimizing, I keep it organized, I keep donating the stuff, and that's how I roll. So hope it helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.